Hi, I'm Brian with Florida Spirit Vacation Homes down in the Champions Gate near Walt Disney World area. Today, we're going to talk about kitchens and how well we should stock and supply the kitchens in a vacation rental. This is a very open-ended topic, so we'll try to be very specific with it. But I get questions from guests, what's in the home, what's not in the home. I get questions all the time from owners. What do I need? What do I not need? In a lot of the furniture packages that the homes in Orlando are completed with, they have a set kit of pots, pans, basic cookware, silverware, wine glasses, drinking glasses, teacups, the whole thing. And there's usually a mathematical formula of 2 per guest. So if the home sleeps 10 people, you're going to have 20 of each to go through. That's a system of bare necessity for a lot of us. And our property care and our property inspectors are trained to open cabinets. They do count everything. They do go through to make sure that the homes have that. However, in recent years, particularly after the pandemic, we have people come into town and their expectations are higher. Originally, people came to Orlando, they barely ate in the homes. There's so many restaurants out there, but food prices have gotten expensive and people are on budgets and families. So we are having more and more families asking more specifically, how large is the cooking pots for pasta? Is there multiple casserole dishes? And in many cases, we as a rental company at our own expense, we've been willing to put those things in for a guest because they've asked. And it's important and we get it. One of the things I would recommend to any property owner is, what do you need when you're in your home? Think of yourself and your family. How do you want to cook and enjoy yourself, and what do you need? Now, we have some kitchens where I've given that advice to owners, and you could film a cooking show. It's insane what they put in them. Personal preference. Now, we also have owners that barely use the home, and they're really not into cooking, so we have to keep the bare minimum. But the real answer is, what works for you and your family? If you and your family feel at home, could have a proper meal here at the home, your guests will probably very much appreciate it. And keep in mind, we do have to think of hospitality and the guests who may be different than ourselves. Of course, we need a coffee maker. We get a question all the time, should I do a Keurig? Well, most of the homes are sleeping 10 to 15 to 18 people. You need a coffee pot that makes 10 cups, okay? Because people don't want to wait in line like they're at a restaurant for a single server. You may not be a wine drinker, most of us are, but make sure you have wine glasses, a wine opener. Make sure that you have things that everybody would need. If you're truly not sure where to start, you're more than welcome to reach out to us. We do have a detailed kitchen list of everything that a standard house should have and the quantities it should have based on the number of guests the home sleeps. But feel free to reach out to us. One of the things that's very common here in Orlando, and it's common practice with a lot of the cleaning companies, a lot of the rental companies, and it's really a good idea. I'd recommend if you're not doing it. Make sure your kitchens are staged where when the drawers are opened, everything is laid out very smooth. The reason for that is you want your guests to be able to come in, pretty much open up the cabinets, look around and say, okay, this is what I have to work with while I'm here for cooking. So if there is something else they do need, they know exactly what to look for. Let us know if it's not there. Thank you again for watching the video. As always, if you enjoyed the content, please hit the like button below. Also, if you'd like, please subscribe so you can see all of our videos and content we're helping produce for people that own vacation rentals. As always, if you have a property in Central Florida and you're looking for assistance, you need an easy button, we're here to help. We'd love to talk to you. Thanks again.